Yes, go ahead.
A quick question. So, considering in the summary it wasn't mentioned like cold water in any of the examples, I believe cold water would not be problematic, like being transferred between pot and pot or pot and cup.
Yeah. So the transfer of the taste is going through the hot liquids, right? We said, or through the fatty surface, like fatty meat or something, or it's fatty cheese that touch each other. But cold water would not be an issue. Yeah, good point.
Rabbi, so considering that, for whatever reason, I have to transfer cold water from a clean meat pot into a clean dairy cup, and then I heat it up in the cup, let's say in the microwave, would that be problematic?
No, technically no. I mean, we don't do it, but technically no.